Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread. First, gather your essential ingredients: 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 10 grams of fine salt, and 7 grams of active dry yeast. You'll also need 350 milliliters of warm water, ideally around 38 degrees Celsius. Having everything at room temperature helps the dough develop properly, ensuring a consistent and delicious loaf every time. Next, combine your flour, salt, and yeast in a large bowl. Gradually add the warm water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Let it rest for about 10 minutes to hydrate the flour. Then, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for 8 to 10 minutes. You're looking for a smooth, elastic texture that springs back when gently poked. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1.5 hours or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Now it's time to shape your loaf. Whether you prefer a round boule or an elongated batard, handle the dough carefully to maintain its structure. For the second rise, place your shaped dough on parchment paper and let it rest for about 45 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 230 degrees Celsius with a Dutch oven inside. Carefully transfer the dough to the hot Dutch oven, bake covered for 30 minutes, then uncover and bake for another 15 minutes until golden brown. Let it cool completely before slicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.